Good morning, everyone. Welcome to week 2, day 1, conceptual physics. Our first unit will be the electromagnetic spectrum. But before we start, let me just tell you how I want you to do this. Obviously, you've read all the instructions because now you're watching my instructional video. I've given you 3 videos to watch, all from the internet. And then there's a worksheet to do also. There's a supplemental or additional reading, a PDF, if you need to read the words. And there's also another booklet, like an e-textbook with lots of pictures and images that breaks it down even better. So your job today is to watch all 3 videos. They're not very long, they're overlapping, they're different ways of saying the same thing. So watch all 3 videos. While you watch, you have a choice. You can take notes as you go or not, or just watch it in a quiet place with your headphones in and just absorb the information. And then I would say, leave it. Come back to it tomorrow. We know that if we do a little bit every day, every 24 hours, the information will go into our long-term memory with a lot less work, and we can understand it. While we're sleeping, our subconscious mind is working on it, and it's probably the easiest way to learn things and then make them stick into your head. So a little bit today, and then a little bit tomorrow, and then a little bit the next day. So today, watch your 3 videos. Then tomorrow, come back to it. Watch those videos again. Open up the file where the worksheet is. That's your copy. You can type right in that worksheet, and then you're going to hit submit or turn in, and I'm going to grade that. And I'll give you feedback. And if you get them all right, I'll tell you. And if you've got a couple wrong, I'll highlight them and tell you to go fix those ones so that you get all the good information that you need. The second part of that worksheet is going to ask you to do a little extra research. You can either use the readings that I gave you or keep looking on the internet and finding whatever you want. Go as deep as you like. Have a little fun with it. I want you to write some small text, but I also want every one of those answers to have a picture or a graphic that goes with it. Find some imagery that goes with it. So text and images for the second part. So let's talk about the electromagnetic spectrum for a minute. You are familiar with it. It's everywhere. It's all around you. You probably saw it in middle school, in elementary school. It's the waves of energy that float around the universe in little packets called photons, and they can be long waves that are very slow and low energy, or they can be very fast waves that are hitting really fast that are high energy. And they go from everything from sound waves or radio waves all the way to gamma rays, which are part of like nuclear energy and nuclear power. Right in the middle is the range you're most familiar with, probably, which is that visible light, Roy G. Biv, all the colors that you can see. Your job with this assignment is to really connect. I want you to learn about waves, frequencies, and wavelengths. I want you to learn about the energy that comes with them, high energy and low energy. I want you to see how they manifest or show up in the world, how our body, like my ear is the tool for hearing a sound wave. My eye is the tool for seeing a light wave. My skin is a tool for UV rays. I get tan in the summer or whatever. I want you to connect all the different sections of the electromagnetic spectrum, there are 7, with actual technology that you use every day that makes your life better. Look around. What kind of radiation? It's not all bad, right? We need sun radiation. We need light radiation. What kind of tools do you have that utilize that radiation to make your life better? So you're looking around the house, you're thinking about the world. So connecting this information, electromagnetic spectrum, all these waves, how they move, and how we interpret them into tools that we make our lives better and much more interesting. So if you have any questions, Google Chats, noon to 2 every day, or email me. Work a little bit today, tomorrow, and the next day. It's all due on Thursday, and I'm always here for you. So have a wonderful day, and talk to you soon.